Hello everyone. Today we're making aubergine and shrimp sabzi. And how to make this taste of konkan. So we need aubergine, tomato, onion, fresh coriander, curry leaves, cumin seed, dry shrimp. We use dry shrimps for many vegetables to make. This is chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. I took olive oil. You can take any oil. So let's soak shrimp in a cold water at least for 10 minutes. So while the shrimp is soaking in the water, we'll prepare our onion. Let's chop onion into fine chop. Tomato we'll chop as well. Fresh coriander we're gonna chop as well. While chopping coriander, we have to make sure we don't have to chop again and again. It's turning to black, so we need to chop it once. So let's dice aubergine into nice shape. I prefer dice. So I took a pot, make it hot, add olive oil, add any oil, gentlemen, ladies, whatever you like. I prefer olive oil. So add a cumin seed now. After that, curry leaves. 3 seconds later, about 3 seconds later, add a chopped onion and make it brown. Add a little bit fresh coriander leaves. Cook it. Add salt. Chopped tomatoes we'll add now and we'll cook. As soon as you add a tomato, 2 seconds later, lots of water is going to come. We need to dry those water and turn into like this. Once this one is dried, add a chili powder and a turmeric powder and we'll cook it again until it becomes dry roast. Now the soaked shrimp is ready and I'll show you how many dirt in there. You see all this rubbish from the shrimps, that's why you need to soak in a cold water. Once that one is done, add to the veg here. Let's add the shrimp into veg and cook it. So we'll add a diced aubergine and we'll add a half cup of water and we'll cook this one at least for 10 minutes. Check after 10 minutes if the aubergine is still crunchy. Cook a few minutes more, not a big deal. Make sure there's no crunchiness in there. If you leave any crunchiness, it won't taste nice, so it has to cook very well. Taste and check this cooks. I'll add a little bit fresh coriander leaves. I taste this vegetable is so amazing. Interesting thing is the shrimp give additional flavor into our vegetables that will make you eat more and more vegetables. Beautiful vegetable is ready now. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, please do like and do share if you can, and stay tuned with my channel chefdon Vinod.